Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to be walking us through the installation processes for the programs we're going to be using in this course so we can be on the same page and avoid problems with them down the line. So for this online course we're going to be installing Python and Jupyter Notebook. So first for Python, let's navigate to the website python.org/downloads and click on the big button that says download Python. And if this button doesn't work for you, that's okay, just scroll down on the same page and click on the most recent release of Python. And the version numbers may not line up perfectly, but that's perfectly fine as long as you're following the steps we're going to be outlining. Next, we want to select how we want to download. And for Windows users, we want to first try the web-based installer. This should work for you, but if it doesn't, then choose the executable installer. And you'll notice that there's two versions of each installer. And I won't get into the details of it, but they're for different CPU sizes on Windows computers. Just to be safe, let's click the installer that has x86-x64 written on it, because all computers will be able to run this installer. If you know for certain that your computer has a 64-bit processor, you can go ahead and download the installers that say x64 on it, but this is not necessary. After you choose your installer, let's make sure that we check off the box that says add Python to path when you get this little pop-up screen. And that should be it for installation. So let's double check we installed Python correctly by opening up your command prompt on your computer. And you can do this by typing in the letters CMD on your Windows search bar at the bottom of the screen. And then we want to type in the command python space dash dash version, and you should get an output that looks similar to this. And again, note that the version numbers don't have to match up perfectly. Next, let's go ahead and install Jupyter Notebook, which we will extensively be using throughout this course. But first, we have to install pip, which should already be installed because we downloaded a Python version straight from python.org. But just to make sure, go to your command prompt again and run these two lines. And you shouldn't have too much trouble with this step because it is mostly done for you. But if you need additional support, go ahead and navigate to the website at the top of this slide. And for our last step, we can finally install Jupyter Notebook by running the command pip3 install -- upgrade pip, and then the command pip3 install Jupyter. Note that Jupyter has a Y, not an I. If these commands don't work, try replacing pip3 with just pip. And to double check your installation was successful, type the words Jupyter Notebook into your command and hit enter, and you should get an output like this. And congratulations, now we're ready to move forward and start learning.